Found two bunch of cutie faces.
Look, there's another duck. That one's a female. Females are more naughty. Bro, they're just chilling. I'm surprised they don't eat the turtle. Bro, what do you mean you're surprised they don't eat the turtle?
That's the little shell. Little turtle. Watch out. Are those geese or duck?
Is he gonna be quiet now that I get up next to him? Probably laughing at my whistling. Says, you don't know how to whistle.
It's a Malucan. People are over here.
What other words does he say?
In the time, I will
week, so in the time I've met her, she'll say I love you. She'll sometimes sound like she's trying to sing. If you play music for her, she'll start doing some like random sounds on her own that sound like the music. What else do you say? Sometimes she'll say goodbye, right? Hi, precious. Oh, she'll just whistle and stuff. But yeah, she likes eating her papaya sometimes. So she likes being fed. If I just put it in there, she won't eat the fruit on her own. But if you feed it to her, she likes that. She's really social. She has her days where she's really kind, and then other times she's not as certain. Hi, Mama. You want to go say hi to the people over there? What? You don't want to say hi? Hi. See, he's saying hi. See, she's feeding them. Yeah, so on the weekends I just give them a mixture of the seeds, and then during the weekdays I make a fruit and vegetable sandwich. I really do. I'll cut up papayas, I'll cut up apples for them, sometimes asparagus. She'll take kale and she'll eat the stem of it, and she'll grab it with her hand and start pulling on it. Kale is kind of like a lettuce, but it has more nutrients than lettuce. So all those green stuff, yeah, but they like that. Yeah, Mama. Hi.